guys, so today I'm gonna be doing the cough drop challenge. I think that's cough drop. Yeah, cough drop challenge today, and I have my bowl to spit the thing in if I don't like it. And I have my jug. I have not opened yet. You guys could see that and open it. Alright, and I have four flavors, so the first one, I'll take the first one. It looks like this. It's weird. It smells like cherry. Ah! That's not good at all. No. Alright. So then, my guess would be cherry. Okay. That's the side. Now I'm going to pick my other one. Oh, that's cool. Look what it looks like. These little dots are like, it's clear with blue dots, if you could see that closer. See the blue dots? Oh, you see one. Okay. I see that one was mint. What kind of mint? Regular mint. That was horrible. Now the next one is nothing like this. It doesn't say anything on it, so all it has is this, and then it just shows it in the front too. So let's try it. So, I'm gonna try this. It looks a little bit like the other one, but darker. Mmm. This is good. Wait. Wait for it. Go. That was horrible. Okay. So, I would want to say that one would be pineapple. It tastes like pineapple. Peach pineapple, yeah. I have one more. Where is it? Does it even say the version here? High five you something. I'll read it. So that says high five yourself. You can do into candid. What? I don't know. Okay, it looks like this, like a yellow one. Sounds good, see? Okay. I like this. So it really tastes. It's lemon. I don't really like it. Like all the ones I spit out all of them. They're really hot. Why don't you bring your volcano to my house after school? My dad will have plenty of time to help you. Really? That would be great. Oh, hang on, Lillian.
thinking, I'm gonna get volcano laureate juice. Running from Bobby's tormented screams made her thirsty. Ugh, these long school days, man. Tell me about it. But at least we're home now. Wow. I always forget how.
Sorry, I forgot that you guys are on here. Alright, so now we're gonna think about the things, and my mom's gonna pass me the bags. I tasted was cherry, and I got it right. It smells so good in this bag. It's all in my bag. Okay, the second one is black cherry. Well, I don't know if it's the second one. See, it was in this package. This was black cherry, I guess. Excuse me. The other one was lemon. I was right. Wait. I wasn't right. It was lemon honey. And I guess the fourth one that I have, this one, the mint one, it was spearmint mint. It was really spicy. So yeah, and I did this. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day, and subscribe down and like up. Thank you for watching. Bye.